Alright, Air Raiders. This is a Catalina game because we get a bye week in Game 6. And we are going to do the best we can to upset the Hawks. Let's see, it is my bye week, that's right. I already said that game. This is against the Northwest Kings, aka the New Orleans Saints. Again, let's see what kind of damage we can do. Or fend off. This is a submission of 5 through 10, or 6 through 10 rather, with the bye week, but we're only going to record the Catalina game. Picking up plenty up top. Spencer's going to break a couple tackles, get out of bound. We want to get down there and score. Yoink. The very last league game I played, I opted for a field goal, which I missed because I don't have a kicker on that team, instead of 8 points. So not only instead of 8 points, oh, what a stop. We're down, way down in our own end. So instead of 8 points, there was an opportunity for 3, and we didn't even get the 3. That's, sounds like a pick to me. But no, just a missed field goal on a misplaced screen tap. Let's go. End of the first quarter. Out past the 30-yard line. Oof. Oh, what a bad toss. Nice catch. Oh, goodness. Gotta convert that 4th down. Cutter's gonna run for it. Clark's got wheels. Just outside of our own end zone. Thank you, Cage. Puts the icing on the cake for us, too. Glenn sacks the quarterback. Oh, and we're out of time here, so we're just gonna... just so we don't make any mistakes. Big block down at the bottom there. That was Ike Gaines blocking like a madman. Cage picks that one up. It was going to Clark. Ooh. Ooh, not looking good. Gonna get the first down, and we're gonna sneak out of bounds. Caught from behind, gain of 11. Playing a little conservatively due to an early first submission interception problem. Oof, thought you were faster than that, buddy. Spencer's going to punch it in for 6 points. Let's get some stops. Monroe, you're too slow, buddy. We're going to hit Cage on a check down. Over the top, Ike Gaines. And he's going to make it all the way, 46-yard touchdown. We want the ball back. Oof. Sometimes you get what you want. Not much time on the clock, but we do have all of our timeouts. I'm going to sneak around him. Just about our own 10. I think it's the 11-yard line. Score! Oh, come on. If I lose this first Catalina matchup, or maybe second technically, by 1 point, I will lose it. But there you go. This is our Catalina Week 7 matchup. We're going to take down the Northwest Kings, a.k.a. the New Orleans Saints. 24 points. Thanks for watching. Novi out.